Hey guys, welcome to part 1 of my Nepal vlogs. In this video, I head to Nepal for the Grand Himalayan Enduro 2019. Come and join me on my adventure. Quite a mess here looking for the bike, but we can't seem to find like the place where they put the bikes. It's just all over the place, messy. Hey, we have arrived.
We have arrived, man. This is Epiphany. Here.
Epiphany
Welcome, my friend.
Guest house.
Welcome.
So the update. The bike box didn't make it to Nepal. It was left in Singapore at the airport. Apparently by the ground staff. So hopefully the bike comes on the next plane tomorrow, and then we can build up the bike and then start riding tomorrow, because the race is on today is a Monday, and the race starts Thursday, Friday practice, and Saturday, Sunday race. So hopefully we get the bike as soon as possible to acclimatize to the high altitude here in Kathmandu. So the update is we finally got the bicycles.
Yeah, after 24 hours.
Yeah, on the next flight.
Well, in Nepal we have a saying that goes like this: sooner or later things will work out, but you just have to have patience.
Hopefully the bike doesn't fall out now. Hopefully it stays there. That's not flying off.
Our bike is here finally. Ben is happy with his. It takes 3 people.
She can just leave it.
Yeah, leave it on the grass. Yeah. Then you can just fit there. Are you happy?
Yes, very happy finally.
Hello, smile.
What are we doing now? We are going to the top of the mountain. Helipad. I'm running on the wrong side of the road. Yeehaw. Oh. Wee. We made it
Yeah.
to the first picture point.
Yes. Actually, earlier I was telling Sunil that I'll be taking you to that trail, right?
Uh-huh.
Then would have ended over there. But for him to pick you up, it would be like quite troublesome. you know?
Yeah.
So if you're okay on the weekend, I can take it. So let's take a picture.
Hey.
This is an amazing playground for you guys.
Yes.
Wow.
So you're running tail?
Yeah, I just kind of started.
Minutes up and 10 minutes down. Nice and cooling as you go down. All the sweat now getting blown up. Cactus here. View. Look at the views.
Yeah.
Woo. Clear. Yeah. Woohoo! What do we have here? It's actually super steep stuff here.